What is a mantra? Is there a mantra everyone should know about, that saying it or chanting it daily would bring some magic and wonder into their life? What is the power and benefit of chanting?
Mantras are specific sound vibrations, which is when chanted creates energy in the human body. That energy can be stored in different chakras and can be utilized for enhancing your spiritual energy, or it can also be utilized for fulfilling your wishes. There are total about 51 types of sounds which a human being can make, and every sound is related to a specific part of a body. When you try to learn the grammar of mantras, the specific part of the bodies are associated with a particular sound we make. A specific energy of a planet is associated with those alphabets we are able to make. A specific energy is present in the universe like Tej, fire, air, water, earth and space, subconsciousness, consciousness, nothingness. For all these, a sound represents these things. Depending upon what a person needs, in whatever circumstances in which he or she is, our ancient rishis has associated these sound vibrations to form the mantra. And when we recite them, our inner journey starts, and these mantras go and make specific changes in those parts of the body. And they make specific changes outside of yourself depending upon what thought patterns you have at the time. So, mantras in specific are the sound vibrations meant to do a specific work inside your body or outside your body. They definitely change life. That is what their definitions is. Their definition itself says that they make changes inside and outside of you. And therefore, mantras changes your life. Depending upon your inner self, Guru recognizes your specific seed mantra, and that is what he gives you at the time of initiation. When he initiates you with that specific mantra. And therefore that specific seed mantra for all of us is different. It is different for you and different for him, for me. Depending upon what kind of the vibrations you hold inside yourself, your mantra is being decided, and that mantra changes your inner self, gives you spiritual energy needed to enhance and move forward on your path to spirituality. Thank you so much.